Welcome to MKE Gadgets. Today we're going to talk about lights. With all electrical devices, if you're not comfortable working with it, please contact a qualified electrician. Always unplug any electrical device before you work on it or look at it. So I recently changed the whole house over to LED lights, and I come up with a problem with that. These lamps have a three-way switch in them. So this is an old-fashioned incandescent lamp, and there's 3 filaments in here, so when you turn on the switch it gets bright, brighter, and brightest. So when you take out the incandescent 3-way bulb and you put a LED light into the same switch, it's off, you click it, it's off, then it's on, and you click it and it's still on, and then it's off. These are 3-way switches designed for 3-way bulbs. My new LED bulb is not 3 ways, it's 1 way. So today we're going to change that from a rotating 3-way switch to a push-pull 1-way switch. So it's on or off. Very simple. I bought these at the local Menards for about $3. So let's unplug the lamp and take them apart. So let's turn them on, and then we'll unplug them. That way we know they're unplugged and they're safe to work with. Always make sure the light is unplugged from the outlet. Remove the bulb. Now this hoop has to be removed. There's these 2 little metal parts. Lift them up and squeeze together. Hoop is removed. Pull the outer cover off and remove the 2 screws. Now take this off and set it aside. Loosen the set screw. Feed the wires through the base. Screw it on. And give the little screw a twist or 2 to tighten it up. Get them kind of twisted nice. And make a little hook so it goes around the screw. On a new base, you got 2 screws, loosen them up. Always make a hook and wrap the wires around the screw, so when you tighten it, it pulls the wires around it and tighten it up, and not the opposite of loosening it. Same thing on the other side, and tighten up the screw, pulling the wires around. The cover has slots for the switch to work. Position the switch opposite of the brackets. That way it's easier to turn on and off. Snap it in and give it a try. Test it a few times before you put the bulb in. Reinstall the hoop into the brackets. The covers fall down. You can kind of bend this a little bit and straighten it up. Might have got bent while we were working on it. Screw the bulb all the way in. Give it a test. Push pull on and off. This is MKE Gadgets. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.